Ever wondered where your luxury leather really comes from? From raw hide to world-class leather, every step is an art form. Join me as I take you inside this incredible journey, the complete transformation you've never seen before.
Welcome to one of the most fascinating processes you'll ever witness, the complete journey of Brahman cattle hide, from a working ranch all the way to finished luxury leather. Brahman cattle are not your average farm animals. These are massive, heat-resistant, disease-tough giants, originally bred in South Asia, now raised across the American South, Brazil, and Australia, on some of the largest ranches in the world. Their hides? Some of the most prized raw material in the leather industry. What you're about to see is the full picture, from the moment these cattle are raised on open pasture, fed, managed, and cared for, to the moment their hides are stripped, treated, tanned, and transformed into the smooth, rich leather that ends up in wallets, belts, boots, and designer goods. This is not just a factory tour. This is the story of an entire industry, one that most people never get to see up
Levels are
close.
stabilizing.
Every single step in this process requires skill, precision, and years of knowledge passed down through generations of ranchers, tanners, and craftsmen. So whether you're a leather lover, a curious mind, or someone who just wants to understand where everyday products actually come from, you are in the right place. Stay with us, because in the next few minutes, you're going to see things that will completely change the way you look at leather forever. And when something surprises you, and trust me, something will, drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. If you're already hooked, hit that like button. It takes 1 second, and it helps more people discover the real stories behind the products they use every day.
Agreed.
Now,
Calipers confirm
let's get
within
into
zero.
it.
Graphics are stable, ready for cert.
Testing the stretch now,
Okay, noting the initial tension.
releasing it.
Elasticity looks good. Hides are aligned, ready to start. Pattern is loaded, looks good.
Initiating the cut.
Looking really smooth. Nice work.
Thanks. Almost done here.
Perfect finish, great job. Papers ready here.
Passing the wrapped one.
Box folding now.
Next item coming.
Wrapping complete.
Box sealed. Scan complete. Next one.
Label applied. Scanning now.
Got it. Matches.
Next one.
Confirmed. All good. Ready when you are.
Okay, forward slowly.
Aligning now.
Good. Lift. Perfect. Hold it.
And just
Okay,
like
hold on,
that,
three.
what
1, 2,
began
3.
as raw
Got it,
hide
holding
on a
steady.
Brahmin
Good, now
ranch
ratchet it down.
ends as
Looks secure.
finished
Good
leather,
work.
ready to become something extraordinary. The journey we've just walked through, from cattle management to slaughter to
closing
the
now.
beam house
Perfect.
to
Manifest is
tanning,
good.
dyeing,
Latching the second one.
finishing,
All
and
confirmed.
final
Great work.
inspection, it's a process that takes days, sometimes weeks, and involves dozens of skilled hands at every stage. What's remarkable about the Brahmin specifically is how well suited this breed is to the entire chain. Their hides are thick, their grain is consistent, and when processed correctly, the leather they produce rivals some of the finest in the world. Industries from fashion to automotive, from military equipment to bespoke footwear, all of them trace back to operations just like this one. It's easy to hold a leather product and never think about the world that created it, but now you know. And that knowledge, that connection between the ranch, the factory floor, and the finished product in your hand, that's something worth holding on to. If you made it this far, you're exactly the kind of viewer we make these videos for, so thank you. Now, here's what I need from you. If you learned something today, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Drop a comment below telling me which part of this process surprised you the most. And if you want to see more deep dives like this into factories, farms, and the industries that shape our world, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss one. We'll see you in the next one.